Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. Wishing you first of all a happy Navratri. So today is day 2 of Navratri. I hope most of you all are fasting. So happy fasting and have a blessed Navratri this year. So today I'm going to talk about Shahi Uptan. Okay, this is our Uptan which we have made, and it is with almost 21 herbal nutrients. So I'll mention few of it, which is almond flour, elaichi, nutmeg powder, ashwagandha powder, white turmeric, then white sandalwood powder, red sandalwood powder, manjishta. These are the core ingredients of it, and it has saffron too. So it is blended into a fine powder. Hope you can see it. Yeah, so what we are going to, I'm going to just tell you about its benefits and how to use our Uptan, because a lot of people are purchasing the Uptan but they don't know how to use it. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm taking a tablespoon of Shahi Uptan ka powder. Okay, then to this I'm going to add aloe vera gel, around half a teaspoon. Okay, then to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rose water. So now first we will mix this well, and then we will add just a few drops of almond oil. Okay, because the weather is changing. Okay, so we have now post Diwali, because most of the time we apply this Uptan during Diwali time, and we are going to get this dry skin and all. So this Uptan will help us with exfoliation. Okay, it has this powerful herb which helps to stimulate the underlying tissues of the skin by gently exfoliating it. It will help preventing appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it will improve the skin texture also. See the texture of this Uptan, by the way. So it is very soothing, cooling at the same time, because it has mulethi powder and vetiver powder. It will help with cooling down the skin and also help with pigmentation. It also has papaya powder in it. Okay, so if somebody is suffering from pigmentation or something, this is definitely go-to remedy. And even for brides to be, now post Diwali, lot of time there are, like, it is a wedding season which will go on. So it's an amazing if you apply this as your daily cleanser or an exfoliant, it is going to make your skin very soft and supple. So once we have mixed all of these ingredients, so what I have done is I've taken a tablespoon of Uptan powder, in which we added aloe vera gel, a tablespoon, and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Okay, now I'm going to add just 2 to 3 drops of almond oil. Okay, and mix it. Always, whenever you make any mask, I always tell in all my sessions, when you make this, keep it aside for about 2-3 minutes. Let it get activated, and then you apply it on the face. Okay, face or body. This is for both face and body both. So let me just show you the texture. Okay, see. So this is the texture. When I apply it, it's really very having a cooling sensation. So ideal for this October heat and post Diwali, the seasonal changes which are happening. So if somebody is having patchy skin or having too much of pigmentation, what you can do is, instead of rose water, you can just add to that buttermilk or yogurt, and mix it in the same proportion. That will also help for that. And by the way, it is available in pack size of 30, 50 and 100 grams. So the cost starts from 400 onwards. So if somebody is interested, just DM me. I'll text you the pricing of the same. Yeah. So charges, yeah, that's what. So 30 grams of Upton will cost you around 400 rupees plus whatever the shipping charges are wherever you are located. Thank you all for joining in, and wishing you all a happy Navratri once again. And yeah, this is it will be available in such jars, okay, so which you can reuse post usage also, post it is finished. Yeah, thank you all. Bye, take care.